What's going on, Six Dancing Stars Ranch family, and welcome back to another one. Do you want to learn how to grow yellow squash in your garden and have tips and tricks and facts about it? Then you're in the right place. Make sure you stay tuned to the very end. You don't want to miss a thing. All right, first thing kicking it off, I want to congratulate Gary on winning our Facebook challenge. That's what I'm talking about. We appreciate all the love and support. Now guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go follow us on Facebook. We have challenges that we do that you can be a part of to win free merch. That's what I'm talking about, free merch. Everybody loves something free. Come on now. All you gotta do is make sure you subscribe to the YouTube and go follow us on Facebook and join the family. That's all we ask for. We appreciate your love and support. Let's get right into it, guys. But first, now that we got our coffee and we're comfortable in watching, I just want to let you guys know this is our 6-week plan, okay? Everything we show you in this video and in the next videos that we're doing is everything we're putting in this garden. And it's going to be a 6-week plan to where I'm showing you a video every single week, and by the end of it, you guys get to see the outcome of all of it. Best part about this is you guys can watch us do it. So next year, if you like what you see, you can just follow along and do it right along with us. And hopefully we'll be able to get it to where you're growing your garden with us and seeing our outcomes. Whenever you're planting your yellow squash, make sure you're planting them in mounds and that they're 2.5 to 3 feet apart, okay? One other reason we are doing our mounds this way, as you see in between, is where the water will sit to water all of our plants. I honestly love doing it this way. One thing you're gonna have to try to remember is with yellow squash, they have very shallow roots, okay? So they don't go very far down, all right? Now because of this, you're gonna wanna make sure you're mulching pretty good, okay? This will help retain the moisture. And with this, you only water 1 to 2 inches a week, okay? You don't wanna overwater it and you don't wanna underwater it. But also remember, putting that mulch on top will help retain the moisture in there, okay? Plant your seeds in a solid mound where you've worked in good compost and the soil is nice and loose. Whenever you're planting your seeds, make sure you go 1 inch deep, okay? That's all they call for. It's gonna take 7 to 14 days to germinate, okay? Now, if you plant in multiple seeds and you get multiple plants, you're gonna wanna thin out the weakest ones and keep the strongest ones. So anyone that looks weak, make sure you go ahead and pull it out and keep the strongest one that you have available. And whenever you do that, that will be after the second set of leaves appear. Okay, whenever those second set of leaves appear, that's when you'll thin it out to the strongest plant that you have and pull out those weaker ones, all right? Now, yellow squash, it only takes about 50 to 55 days until it's done, okay? Just that long. So make sure you're always watching for your average first frost date whenever you want to plant these. And keep in mind, whenever you know they are ready is when your fingernail can pierce through it fairly easily. Just one of these plants can produce 3 to 9 pounds of yellow squash. Isn't that amazing? You can get so much just from one little plant. It's absolutely amazing. So guys, I hope all of that helped you, and I hope you learned something new today. Make sure you leave a comment down below on what I can improve on for you guys, and if you have any ideas or tips for me to help me with my garden, okay? Make sure to like and subscribe if you like content like this. Welcome to the Six Dancing Stars Ranch family. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the love and support. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to stick around for all 6 of them. You want to make sure you see that final finale whenever the garden is done growing and we can see what happened with all of it. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.